Separate your entrance hall from your living room while adding something extra to your decor. Facade gives your home some privacy and still offers you guests a warm welcome. We will be showing you 13 beautiful living room divider ideas, which is pretty much the alternative of putting up an entire wall from the foyer to any room in the house adjacent to it. Fontana Penthouse. Divide a space in high style with an oversized curved wall. Complement with a contemporary sofa that matches the curve. Foyer and living room. Unique wall panel that was used to divide the living area from the foyer by the door. The material used for the screen is somehow similar to the wall, except that it doesn't exactly shine. Greeny Street Loft. Gray designed this home to serve primarily as an entertaining space for a large family of 5, opening up the living, dining, and play areas to create a large unified space ideal for social gathering and musical performance per the family's hobbies. Lincoln Park Residence. The room divider in this home was floor-to-ceiling frosted glass panels. They are inset into both the floor and ceiling. McDougall Manor. While the living, dining, and kitchen areas remain open to one another, the designers divided the main living space from a slightly more private family room with a custom end-grain screen divider. Mid-North Residence. The living room, which occupies the west side of courtyard, is a simple, open space split into 2 zones. Millworker House. A white oak slatted staircase cuts through the ground floor, creating a partial divide between the kitchen and the living room. Although there are floor-to-ceiling windows at both ends of the house and an open floor plan, the ground floor still has intimate corners in which to relax. Screen for kitchen living room divider. This pretty divider separates the living room and the dining area. The divider actually stands out since the space is mostly wide. Mesmerizing pattern. Separate your entrance hall from your living room while adding something extra to your decor. Facade gives your home some privacy and still offers your guests a warm welcome. White wooden slatted divider. In this all-white dressing room, white has been paired with light wooden furniture for a stunning end result. The white room divider brings in a pretty neutral tone which adds a further layer to space. Rope vintage room divider. An antique rope screen is used to add extra character, giving a room a nautical edge. The rope used doesn't provide any privacy. However, it adds a unique twist to any contemporary interior space. Built-in black boxy walls. This luxury studio has a dreamy interior with various beautiful modern furnishings. Due to its open-plan design, a boxy panel has been used between the bathroom and living area to ensure privacy while adding to the overall aesthetic. Gray fabric room separator. In this stylish gray theme interior space, a stunning room partition has been used to add another layer of chic to the area.